Step into the spotlight with our exclusive style tutorial, where we delve into the intricacies of embracing the timeless glamour of Hollywood stars. Join us as we unravel the essential elements that elevate celebrity style to new heights on the red carpet and beyond. The journey towards embracing Hollywood star glamour begins with understanding your unique personal style. Explore trends that resonate with your individuality and seek inspiration from the iconic looks of celebrities who mirror your aesthetic preferences. At the core of Hollywood glamour lies the essence of timeless elegance. Choose garments crafted with timeless appeal, embodying quality and refinement that stand the test of time, ensuring you exude sophistication for every occasion. Elevate your style with the power of impactful details. Learn to curate accessories that serve as the exclamation point to your ensemble, enhancing your look with a touch of effortless allure and refined glamour. True Hollywood glamour is synonymous with confidence and poise. Cultivate an aura of self-assuredness, allowing your inner radiance to illuminate every outfit, ensuring you command attention with grace and conviction. Embrace the freedom of expression by infusing your style with personalized touches. Emulate the trailblazing spirit of Hollywood icons, fearlessly embracing your quirks and preferences to curate a look that authentically reflects your essence. In essence, unlocking the secrets of Hollywood star, glamour transcends mere fashion. It's an exploration of self-expression and confidence. With these invaluable style insights, you're poised to radiate the same timeless elegance and magnetic charm as your silver screen inspirations. Subscribe for a plethora of style and fashion tips inspired by the legendary allure of Hollywood stars.